For this problem, what you need to do is use the given information and draw in the triangle, the right triangle that's used as a reference in the correct quadrant. So this one says you're looking in quadrant 2. So we know that our triangle is going to be formed right here. And this is the reference angle that we're going to use. And so if we're told with respect to this angle, the tangent is -2/3, and using SOHCAHTOA, tangent is opposite over adjacent. We know that here we can label the opposite is the top 2, the adjacent is the bottom 3, and the negative sign we can see from the quadrant where that applies. So that's going to apply to the x coordinate. And once we set this up, we can then use Pythagorean theorem to solve for the hypotenuse. So you get the sum of the squares of the two sides, 2 squared plus -3 squared equals c squared. So 4 plus 9 is c squared, or 13 is c squared. Extract your square root. And so the hypotenuse is going to be square root of 13. Once you get this set up, you can then answer your questions. The sign is opposite over hypotenuse. And so opposite is 2 over hypotenuse is root 13, which we would rationalize to root 13 over 13. And then cosine is going to be adjacent over hypotenuse using SOHCAHTOA. So adjacent is -3, hypotenuse root 13, rationalize -3 root 13 over 13. And so those would be your two solutions. But again, it's just a matter of finding drawing the reference triangle in the correct quadrant and then labeling the measurements as positives or negatives based on that quadrant.